If you want to make delicious anko easily at home, this is a recipe for you. Throughout this video, you'll discover lots of tips like how to make different types of anko and to change consistency for varieties of Japanese sweets and also how to preserve them. So, let's get started! In this recipe, you will need 150 grams of azuki beans, 100 to 150 grams of sugar, water, and a pinch of salt. First of all, rinse azuki beans a few times and take out any bad beans. After washing the beans, drain the water and put them in a pot. Add more than 500 ml of water and bring it to boil with high heat. When it comes to boil, reduce the heat to low and boil it for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat and drain the water as this water contains scum which causes bitterness and astringency. Put the beans into rice cooker and add 500 milliliters of water and switch on to cook as normal rice. When it finishes cooking, it will look like this. Add 200 milliliters of water and 100 to 150 grams of sugar. Cook as normal rice once again. When it finishes cooking, add a pinch of salt. This is the secret to enhance the flavor. Crush some beans while mixing. It might look too soft or watery, but when it cools down, it will be harder or less watery. This is how it looks when it's cooled down. Now, tsubu-an is ready. It's not overly sweet and has a nice texture. If you are not happy with the consistency, you can add some water to soften or put in a microwave or heat up in a pot to evaporate some water to harden. I will put some tsubu-an aside and show you how to make koshian with the rest of anko. It's super simple. Just put them in a blender or food processor and blend them until smooth. I will put some aside and show you the easy way of how to harden koshian, as this is a good consistency for spreading on a toast or dango, but too soft to make daifuku or nerikiri. Put in a microwave-safe container and spread them around to have more surface to evaporate water. And put in a microwave for a minute or two. It will be like this after 2 minutes. Mix it well and see if it's hardened enough. Bear in mind, it will be even harder once it's cooled down. I put another minute and made it a bit too dried. I could have added a little bit of water to make it perfect consistency, but it contains enough moisture to hold shapes. So I decided to keep it like this. I will be making Ichigo Daihuku with this in the future video soon. You can put them in a container or wrap them with cling wrap and freeze it to last for a few months. Just heat them up in a microwave or in a pot and it will be ready to use or to eat anytime you crave for anko. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you find it helpful. Please subscribe and hit the like button. What type of anko or Japanese sweets do you like? I would love to hear any feedback from you. Bye bye!